Hey guys, Atul from Simplify Python again. In this video, what we are going to do, basically we are going to create a file of Python file, not using idle, not using any other software, by using a simply our notepad or any simple text editor, and we are going to see how can we run that particular file using our command line. Since I am on Windows, so I will going to use a command prompt. If you are on Mac or Linux, you can use your terminal, right, or bash or whatever you call it, right. It should be a command line where you can run commands, right? So what I have to do first, first I have to open my command line. So let's do that. Open my command prompt. So my command prompt is here, and where I want to create my file. So suppose I want to create my file at D drive. So I move to D drive, and here I want to create my file. So I can use any editor which I want to use. So let's say I'm using the copycon editor here. Let's create a file, copycon intro.py. Okay, so now the file is in edit mode. Now whatever I write here, so let's type a Python instruction. Let's say hello Python, and now I want to save this file. So I'll press Ctrl Z and enter. The file is copied. So if I run the command ls here, no, not the ls, the dir command here, I can see a file is there which is named intro.py. So that's great. So now I can run my file because Python is already installed in my machine. So I have to type the command Python. One thing to remember, if you are on Mac OS or Linux, if you type the and you have Python 3 installed, so the Python 3 can be invoked by typing Python 3. You have to replace the Python command with Python 3 command, right? That's all. I mean, all the other things are same. And now I have to type my file name, and as I give my file name to this Python command, it will automatically run my Python file. So I got the output, and let's do something. Let's do something. Suppose I want to create a new file, and now I want to create my file using Notepad. So I went to the Notepad, and what will be the name of file? Let's say intro1.py. So it will ask me if I want to create a file. I said yes, and here is our Notepad. So let's type some command here. Let's say 23 minus 12 minus 3. Press Ctrl S, close this file, and I can run the file again. I have to type intro1.py, and I got the output, right? So I mean you can do from anywhere. Suppose you have your Notepad opened, and you can create your files from inside the Notepad also. So suppose you type some command like let's take a kind of let's do something obvious. So let's ask for first name from the user. Input, enter first name, and let's ask for last name of the user. Type input, enter last name, and now you have to print the complete name. So f underscore name comma l underscore name. Okay, so let's save this file, and wherever you can save this file, I mean let's save this file in the desktop, or let's save this file inside the C drive. Whatever name you can provide to it. Let's say it is script1. One thing you need to keep in mind, if you are using some other text editor than the official ones, like idle or anything else, you have to put this .py extension at the end of file name, right? And you have to do this, otherwise your file will not be recognized as a Python file. So I did that, and I saved my file. It will ask me that okay, I don't have the permission. Let's save it, I mean anywhere. So it will be saving my file in the Atul folder. Okay, so let's open your CMD and come to the folder, I mean wherever you saved my file, your file. So I've saved my file in this particular folder. So if now I'll run my code, let's see if file is there. So let's run the command dir. I can see, yeah, script.py. So file is there. So what I have to do, I have to type Python and the file name. So file name is script1.py, and hit enter. It is asking me for my first name. So let's first name is Zon, last name is Snow. That's good. So this is how, I mean, the running Python files from the command line is this much simple. And the only thing that you have to remember, in Mac OS and in most of the Linux distribution, Python is pre-installed. Most of time Python 2 is pre-installed. So Python 3 is recognized as the, as this command. But since in Windows, in my machine, I have only installed Python 3 only, so I have to type only the Python. So if you are on Linux or Mac OS, you have to type this command, Python 3 then script.py. So and it will work. I mean, that's all. That's simple it is. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.